Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel once again today. In today's video I'm gonna be introducing to you a new series of video that is gonna be on regular divergence. It's actually a requested video and I'm gonna make videos in that series. And this is CN now on the screen. You are watching CN Great Counsels and Forex Trade. And if you are new on this channel, all you need to do is to hit that subscribe button down below, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss any upload on this channel. Like I said, it's a requested video and it's been long. This video was requested and I've made a series of videos on hidden divergence, the paths of hidden divergence, and this time is going to be on regular divergence that you use to catch a trade. Trade reversal. And of course, when I did videos on hidden divergence, I told you is for trend continuation, but then the regular divergence is for trend reversal. And I'm going to show you in a moment on two pairs, that is boom 1000 on then crash 1000, as it's playing out currently on those pairs. Okay, now when combined with basic price action knowledge, support and resistance, market structures, trading divergences, okay, can be so powerful and highly rewarding. Okay, using the best indicators, of course, to trade it can be so rewarding. And there are many indicators, but you have to take note that you don't use all indicators to trade divergences. And even the best ones that are used to trade divergences, they don't just automatically pick divergences for you. Okay, you definitely have to train your eyes to spot them out yourself and then take advantage of it. You may not have to use all the indicators at once. Of course, you can't do that. You just have to test them out and then stick to the one that gives you the best result, which is why I'm gonna be including in this series. I'm gonna be making videos on different indicators, the best indicators you can use to trade divergences. Okay, regular divergences. And of course, we have bullish regular divergence, bearish regular divergence, and of course, I'm gonna teach you how the best way to trade it. It's one of the. Now let me quickly show you, because this is just an introductory video. Meanwhile, the remaining parts of the year is still gonna be pure for you. Now, if I had spotted this move earlier, I would have caught, because there's a divergence playing out here. The divergence played out here on M15. That is boom 1000 per. Okay, and you can see that the trend has actually reversed. It's been on a bullish trend from here. No, I'm gonna show you something. Okay, but if I had caught this, I would have taken this. This is 15 minutes. Okay, imagine what this would have been. Okay, but then I'm gonna show you how it played out. And there are secrets. There are many secrets on how to trade regular divergences. I'm going to share those secrets with you in the series of this video. I'm going to tell you what you need to be whenever. In fact, I'm still going to include an element of hidden divergences in the series of the videos, because I'm going to tell you what to obey when this happens. When regular divergence happens, what do you need to obey? Is it the price that you need to obey, or the indicator? Now, when hidden divergence happens, is it the price that you need to obey, or the indicators? Okay, I'm going to include all that in the series of the videos. And I have a trade running actually on crash 1000, and it is playing out also. But then I may not stay that long on this trade because one of the secrets for trading regular divergence is that it depends to a large extent, or it plays along with support and resistance. That's why I said if you add basic price action knowledge, support and resistance knowledge, market structure and the rest, you are good to go. And then you are trading divergences. Like, in fact, it's one of the most rewarding pattern to trade on Forex, and especially boom and crash. Now I'm going to explain what is playing out here and also on boom 1000. On boom 1000. Now let's start with boom 1000, and at the end of this explanation, I'm going to end the trade on crash 1000. And of course, I have my reason for not placing my stop loss. Of course, this is where my stop loss is going to be below this upward trend line, so that at the break of the trend line, I will know that this regular divergence has actually failed. Okay, but for now, I'm not going to place it. Okay, now why am I saying so? If you go to higher time frame, you discover that there is no strong support. Okay, there's no strong support. If you go to 1 hour time frame, discover there is no strong support. But then the divergence is playing out on M15. Okay, so I may not really, had it been there is a strong support on a higher time frame, H1, H4, or even 30 minutes time frame, there is actually a support on 30 minutes time frame. If you look to your left, to this side, but then it's not strong enough. Okay, so that's why I'm not going to stay that long on this trade. Okay, as soon as I'm done recording, I'm going to close the trade. Okay, but let's start with boom 1000, and then let me quickly show you, because the divergences are spotted, the regular divergences are spotted both on boom 1000 and crash 1000. They are playing on 15 minutes time frame, and that's another secret that I'm going to share in the subsequent videos. Okay, what regular divergence depends on. Okay, the secret it hangs on. Okay, so let's just get started right now. Now if you look to your left, this is not going to be a detailed video, but I'm going to make a detailed video on this. Okay, now if you look to your left, you see that boom 1000 has been, from here, it's been on a bullish move now, and then you discover that it is expected that on a bullish cycle, on a buying cycle, the price is supposed to be making of course higher highs and then higher lows, which is what played out here. And normally the indicators are supposed to be following the price. Okay, but sometimes there can be discrepancies, there can be differences in the movement. Now if you look from here, price actually made higher highs here, higher highs to this point. Okay, now when he made this low, when he had this pullback, that also corresponded with what indicator did here. Okay, that's RSI period 14. Okay, now when he continued this move, he made another high. Now one would have expected the indicator to also keep making the same high. Price is still making higher high. But now look at from here down, what is happening here? The indicator started instead making lower. Okay, can you see that? This actually informed me that there is a discrepancy in the movement of price and then the indicator, and that informed me that the trend, this uptrend, was about to end, and there is an imminent or a potential price reversal. And what happened next? Boom, the market started descending down. Okay, look at it. Okay, I don't know if you get what I said. The point here now, look at the arrow is just now, look at the correspondence. Look at here, look at here, what played out here. The same movement happened between price and the indicator, but after here, look at what started playing out here. Now look at from here down, what happened in opposite direction. Here it was the same direction, but here opposite direction. And what happened next? Boom. Okay, that's just it. Now, like I said, it's not a detailed video, but I'm gonna do a detailed video on this. I just want to make this introduction and to inform you guys of what you should be expecting. Now, what happened here? The same thing. Okay, now the other one I just showed you was bearish divergence. This is bullish divergence now. Okay, bearish regular divergence here played out, and here we have bullish regular divergence. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna make a detailed video. Now if you look at here, price was descending on a crash. Okay, now and it was actually making a kind of lower is coming. Okay, but when it got to this point, now I want you to take a look at this place from here down from the price, from the main chart down to the indicator window one. What happened? Now you discover this is not actually a strong bullish divergence, but because it's actually playing out on 15 minutes time frame. Like I said, I showed you earlier that it doesn't really have strong support, so this may not really, it may not. Okay, but remember, we don't limit the movement of price. Okay, but I'm just trying to show you what happened here. Now the market from here down is still making lower low. Okay, lower low as it's crashing. But what is the indicator doing? The indicator from here, look at it, started making higher high, higher low. Okay, and then higher high till this point where the market, what happened? Boom, the market started reversing. But then do you just trade blindly? No. Which is why sometimes you if you understand what the market is doing, remember I said that you are the one, even though there are many indicators you can use to trade both hidden and regular divergence, but then those indicators, they don't just pick it and then call your name to inform you. You need to train your eyes to understand what it is doing. Now someone would have taken a sniper entry from here, but that may not really work out fine for everyone, which is why you need to wait for price to actually show a kind of increase in volume, momentum, and of course increase in buying momentum. Okay, buying momentum, buying volume. All right, so and that's what is playing. But how do you do that? You can draw a trend line, upward trend line from here, then you wait for price to come back and retest, because there's this likelihood that the price will push up and then retest and then break and continue bearish movement. But I hope you can see what is playing out here. Actually drew this trend line so that the price moved up, came back to it, and now it's as if it's bouncing off. Of course it's bouncing off already. That's why I was able to take the trade, and my stop loss is gonna be a bit, like I said, I'm not gonna be that long on this trade because I can't really see a strong support. The price might actually get to this point, okay, where it has found a resistance and it can crash back, further retesting this trend line, and it can break it or bounce off to continue making series of higher highs and of course higher low now to actually generate or continue a buying cycle or bullish move. Okay, so that's just it, guys. This video is not gonna be that long, okay, but then I just feel I should introduce this, and please expect detailed videos. And of course, I'm going to make videos on different indicators, the best indicators that will spot your regular divergences, and you can't afford to miss the powers of regular divergences and the secret behind them, how to trade it. So many thanks for watching this video, guys. And if you are new on this channel, please do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Old subscriber, please hit that like button, share this video, turn on your notification, and stay tuned for more videos in this series. Don't also forget that I've always kept my promises. I've released a very recent VIP strategy that I call Rising Glory Greater Wins, and I still have my all-time best VIP strategy to release before the end of the year. Please, guys, expect it. Remember, CN Great Council's cares and the remaining parts of the year is still gonna be pure for you guys, and it's already pure for many, and you keep testifying. I'll talk to you in my next video. This is CN Great Council's signing out for today. Bye.